Hey everyone, and welcome back. Legally need to charge sales tax on your products? In this video, I'll show you how to enable and set up tax calculations in WooCommerce for free. First, go to WooCommerce Settings General. Scroll down to the Enable Taxes option and check the box. Click Save Changes. Now, go to WooCommerce Settings Tax. Here, you can configure how taxes are calculated. Under Prices Entered with Tax, choose whether you enter product prices with or without tax included. This is crucial for correct calculations. Next, set your tax rates. Click on the Standard Rates link. Here, you can add tax rules for different countries, states, and even cities. Click Insert Row. Enter a country code like US, a state code like CA, and the tax rate like 7.5. You can leave fields blank to apply a rate more broadly. You can also set different rates for specific product categories or shipping if needed. Finally, under the tax settings, decide if you want to show prices including or excluding tax in your shop and at checkout. And that's it. WooCommerce will now automatically calculate the correct sales tax for every order based on your customer's address. If you set up tax rates, let me know which country or state you configured first in the comments. See you in the next one.